Are you constantly worried about what you can eat with reduced kidney function, fearing that every meal could potentially harm your heart and bones? Many individuals navigating kidney health challenges feel overwhelmed by dietary restrictions, especially when it comes to phosphorus. The good news is, managing phosphorus intake doesn't mean sacrificing delicious, everyday foods. In fact, many are naturally low in phosphorus, making them safer and incredibly beneficial choices for your kidney health. This article will explore 5 such foods that are especially easy on your kidneys, offering practical meal ideas and guidance specifically tailored for those committed to a kidney-friendly diet. Number 1. Apples. Apples stand out as a wonderfully kidney-friendly fruit, not only because they are naturally low in phosphorus, but also due to their impressive fiber content. This combination makes them an excellent choice for supporting digestive health and maintaining stable blood sugar levels, which are both crucial aspects of managing kidney health. Their mild sweetness and crisp texture make them a satisfying addition to any kidney-conscious diet. From a nutritional standpoint, a medium-sized apple typically contains around 95 calories, is rich in vitamin C, and provides a good source of dietary fiber. Crucially for kidney health, apples contain very little potassium and, most importantly, minimal phosphorus, generally less than 10 milligrams per serving. This low mineral profile makes them a safe and healthy snack or ingredient for individuals needing to limit their phosphorus intake. There are countless creative and delicious ways to enjoy apples while keeping your kidneys in mind. You can enjoy them raw as a quick and refreshing snack, or bake them with a sprinkle of cinnamon for a warm, comforting dessert. Sliced apples also make a fantastic, crunchy addition to salads, offering a touch of sweetness without adding significant phosphorus. Unsweetened applesauce is another versatile option that can be used in baking or enjoyed on its own. When incorporating apples into your diet, remember portion control is key, even with kidney-friendly foods. A medium apple, or about 1 cup of sliced apples, is generally a good serving size. For a balanced, kidney-friendly meal, consider pairing apples with other low-phosphorus foods, like a small handful of unsalted rice cakes or a serving of plain, unsweetened yogurt, if dairy is tolerated and portion-controlled for protein, potassium. This ensures a satisfying and nutritious snack that keeps your kidney health a priority. But let's discover another pantry staple that's surprisingly beneficial for your kidneys. Number 2. White rice. When managing phosphorus intake, many people are surprised to learn that white rice is a far more kidney-friendly option compared to whole grains or brown rice. While whole grains are often celebrated for their fiber, they also contain significantly higher levels of phosphorus due to their bran and germ layers. For those with reduced kidney function, choosing refined grains like white rice helps to minimize phosphorus absorption, making it a valuable dietary staple. A direct nutritional comparison highlights this difference clearly. A cup of cooked white rice typically contains about 60 to 70 milligrams of phosphorus, whereas the same amount of brown rice can have well over 150 milligrams. This substantial difference is why white rice is often recommended in kidney-friendly diets, offering a good source of energy without excessive mineral load. It also provides carbohydrates, which are essential for energy, along with some B vitamins and iron, depending on whether it's enriched. White rice is incredibly versatile and can serve as a simple yet satisfying side dish, or a robust base for numerous kidney-safe meals. For an easy side, simply boil white rice until tender and serve with a lean, low-phosphorus protein like baked chicken or fish. It can also form the foundation of a delicious stir-fry, where you can incorporate a variety of low-phosphorus vegetables. To enhance the flavor of white rice without adding phosphorus, consider seasoning it with fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro, a squeeze of lemon juice, or a dash of kidney-friendly spices such as black pepper or paprika. Pairing it with low-phosphorus vegetables like bell peppers, onions, or green beans, and lean protein sources such as grilled chicken or egg whites creates a complete and balanced meal that supports kidney health without compromise. Speaking of vegetables, our next food is a true champion for kidney-safe eating. Number 3, cauliflower. Cauliflower truly shines as a versatile and incredibly beneficial low-phosphorus vegetable for those managing kidney health. It's an excellent source of vitamins and fiber, offering a nutrient-dense option that can be enjoyed in many forms. Its mild flavor and adaptable texture make it an ideal substitute for higher phosphorus vegetables in a kidney-friendly diet, allowing for culinary creativity without compromising dietary needs. Nutritionally, cauliflower is a powerhouse of essential vitamins and minerals while remaining remarkably low in phosphorus. A cup of raw cauliflower contains approximately 25 calories, is an excellent source of vitamin C and vitamin K, and provides a good amount of fiber. Critically, it contains only about 40 milligrams of phosphorus per cup, making it one of the safest vegetable choices for individuals needing to limit their phosphorus intake. The cooking possibilities for cauliflower are virtually endless, making it easy to incorporate into diverse meals. It can be roasted to bring out its natural sweetness, creating a tender and flavorful side dish. For a delicious alternative to mashed potatoes, steamed and mashed cauliflower offers a similar creamy texture with significantly less phosphorus and potassium. You can also add it to soups, stews, or stir-fries, where it absorbs flavors beautifully and adds bulk without adding much phosphorus. Cauliflower is also praised for its ease of digestion, making it a comfortable food choice for many individuals. Its role in a balanced, kidney-safe diet is significant, as it allows for variety and nutrient intake while keeping phosphorus levels in check. This versatility helps prevent dietary monotony, making adherence to a kidney-friendly diet more enjoyable and sustainable. Now, let's turn our attention to an essential macronutrient and a particularly kidney-friendly source of it. Number 4, egg whites. Egg whites are truly a high-quality, low-phosphorus protein alternative that stands out as an excellent choice for individuals managing kidney health, especially when compared to whole eggs. While whole eggs are nutritious, the yolk contains a significant amount of phosphorus. By choosing only the egg whites, you can obtain a complete protein source necessary for muscle maintenance and overall health without the added phosphorus load from the yolk. When we compare phosphorus content, the difference between egg whites and whole eggs is substantial. A single whole egg contains approximately 90 milligrams of phosphorus, whereas a serving of 2 large egg whites contains only about 10 milligrams. This makes egg whites an incredibly efficient and safe way to add high-quality protein to a kidney-friendly diet. They offer similar protein quality to other animal proteins, but with a much lower phosphorus count compared to many meats or dairy products. Incorporating egg whites into your diet is simple and versatile. They are perfect for preparing light and fluffy omelets or scrambles, where you can mix in kidney-friendly vegetables like bell peppers or spinach. Egg whites can also be used in baking recipes to add protein structure or as a protein boost in smoothies. Ensure they are pasteurized if consumed raw. Their neutral flavor allows them to blend seamlessly into various dishes. For safe cooking and portion sizes, it's advisable to thoroughly cook egg whites to eliminate any risk of salmonella. For most individuals on a kidney-friendly diet, a serving of 2 to 4 egg whites is a good portion size, but always consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian for personalized recommendations based on your specific needs. This protein option offers great flexibility, and our final low-phosphorus food provides a naturally sweet and hydrating alternative. Number 5, grapes. Grapes are an excellent choice for a sweet, hydrating, and refreshingly low-phosphorus snack option, making them a fantastic addition to a kidney-friendly diet. Their natural sweetness can satisfy cravings without relying on processed sugars, and their high water content contributes to daily hydration, which is vital for overall health, including kidney function. They are a simple and delicious way to enjoy fruit without concern over high phosphorus levels. Beyond their appealing taste, grapes offer several health benefits. They are rich in antioxidants, particularly resveratrol, which can help protect the body's cells from damage. Their high water content aids in hydration, and they provide a good source of fiber, supporting digestive regularity. Crucially, grapes are naturally low in potassium and have a very low mineral content overall, including minimal phosphorus, typically less than 10 milligrams per cup, making them one of the safest fruit choices for kidney patients. There are many enjoyable ways to incorporate grapes into your diet. Of course, eating them fresh is the simplest and most common method. They also make a colorful and hydrating addition to fruit salads, pairing well with other kidney-friendly fruits like apples or berries. For a refreshing treat, consider freezing grapes. They become like small, icy sorbet-like bites, perfect for a hot day or a satisfying dessert. To ensure maximum kidney safety and freshness, always wash grapes thoroughly under cool running water before eating to remove any surface residues. Store them in the refrigerator to keep them fresh and firm for longer periods. With their delightful taste and low mineral profile, grapes offer a guilt-free pleasure for those adhering to a kidney-friendly diet. But the journey to a kidney-safe diet doesn't end with these 5 foods. There are many other excellent choices and crucial tips to consider. Other kidney-safe foods and tips. Beyond apples, white rice, cauliflower, egg whites, and grapes, many other delicious foods can be safely enjoyed on a kidney-friendly diet. Consider incorporating additional low-phosphorus options, such as a variety of berries, including strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, which are rich in antioxidants. Cucumbers offer a hydrating and crisp snack, while simple rice cakes can be a great base for low-phosphorus toppings. For a sweet treat, sherbet is often a better choice than ice cream due to its lower phosphorus content, and apple juice can be a suitable beverage option. When it comes to beverage choices, water is always the best option for hydration. Coffee and tea can generally be enjoyed in moderation, though individual tolerance may vary. Light-colored sodas, if consumed occasionally, typically contain less phosphorus than dark-colored colas, which often have added phosphate. Always consult with your healthcare provider or dietitian regarding specific beverage recommendations. Key strategies for finding and preparing low-phosphorus meals involve careful planning and label reading. Always make it a habit to check food labels for phosphorus content and be especially vigilant for phosphate additives, which are often listed with terms like phosphoric acid, sodium phosphate, or calcium phosphate. These additives are absorbed much more readily by the body than natural phosphorus and can significantly impact your phosphorus levels. Preparing meals at home gives you greater control over ingredients and helps ensure your food remains kidney-friendly. Understanding phosphorus and kidney health. For individuals with kidney disease, understanding the dangers of excess phosphorus is crucial. Healthy kidneys efficiently remove excess phosphorus from the blood, but when kidney function declines, this ability is impaired, leading to a buildup of phosphorus in the body. This excess can cause significant harm, weakening bones and contributing to heart disease, making it a critical concern for those with compromised kidney health. The reason kidneys fail to adequately remove excess phosphorus stems from their primary role in filtering waste products from the blood. As the kidneys lose their filtering capacity in kidney disease, phosphorus, along with other waste products, accumulates in the bloodstream. This accumulation can lead to an imbalance, triggering a cascade of health issues. It's also important to differentiate between the absorption of natural phosphorus found in foods and phosphorus added as an additive. Phosphorus from natural sources, especially plant-based foods, is generally less absorbed by the body compared to inorganic phosphorus additives found in processed foods. This means that while some plant foods may contain phosphorus, it's often less problematic than the phosphorus found in highly processed items. Modern research is increasingly emphasizing the safety and benefits of many plant-based foods for chronic kidney disease patients due to this difference in absorption and the overall nutritional benefits these foods offer. Choosing low-phosphorus foods like apples, white rice, cauliflower, egg whites, and grapes is a powerful and practical step towards protecting your kidneys and promoting your overall health. With careful, creative meal planning and smart choices, it's entirely possible to enjoy a satisfying, nutritious diet that is easy on your kidneys without sacrificing flavor or variety. If this guide has provided helpful insights for you or someone you know managing kidney health, please consider sharing this information with others who could benefit. We hope you'll find these practical nutrition tips useful on your journey to healthier living with chronic kidney disease.